And for people who are watching the video, there's a lot of stuff on this whiteboard. And I've got pie charts to talk about distribution of revenue, and I've got frameworks that talk about sales process related stuff and call planning and all that other kind of junk. I'm not a weird, evil scientist. I just like putting stuff up on a whiteboard. I think it's understanding these kind of things. Understanding at first, how does a customer go through the process of making a decision? How do they go from, I have no idea I have a problem, to I have a problem, to, wow, I want to fix the problem, to, hey, there's some solutions that are out there, to, wow, I think I can actually see this working, to, I want to implement, to, yes, this is the best thing in the world. It's the most amazing thing and I want to tell everybody about it. That's kind of that customer decision-making and buyer journey type stuff. And you want to know what happens inside our organization. How do we execute? And then you want to know from a rep perspective, how do your reps execute on in a predictable manner, day by day? What's that engagement look like? What are the tools? So you take these broader frameworks, ideas, and concepts and you'll notice all of these have empty spaces. They have empty spaces because the words change depending on the organization you're working in. And you go through the process of saying, this is how I can start applying this here. And sometimes this works and sometimes it doesn't. So that's where the testing and iteration process comes into play, where you've got to retool and you've got to say, okay, this is going to take, like the old, how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Pop? This one's going to take us 6 licks to get to the center. This one's going to take 20. This one's going to take 3. How do I design based on that? And that is, if you can go in with those concepts, you know how people make decisions, you know what engagement looks like. If you can go in with that mindset, you can start to draw out what an ideal playbook looks like.